In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Adobe Reader as the default PDF viewer in Windows. Making Adobe Reader your go-to application for PDFs can greatly enhance your user experience, especially if you need the variety of features it offers for PDF management and viewing. Let's walk through the process to set this up effortlessly. First things first, we'll begin by opening the Windows settings. Now, you can easily do this by hitting the Windows key or clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Once the menu pops up, simply type in Settings and press Enter. This will open the comprehensive settings hub where we can tweak various system functionalities. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the section titled Apps. Click on this, and it will open a new menu where you can manage all your installed applications. Within the Apps section, there's a specific tab you're looking for, Default Apps. Clicking here takes you to the page where you can personalize how various file types are opened by default. Scroll down through this Default Apps menu until you find the link that reads Choose Default Apps by File Type. Clicking this opens a more detailed list, which allows you to alter the default app settings based on the file extensions of documents on your computer. Now, looking through this list could seem daunting at first due to the sheer number of file types, but don't worry, stay patient and continue scrolling until you locate the .pdf extension. This is the key file type we're targeting to manage how your documents are opened. Adjacent to the .pdf file type, you should see the currently set default app. It might be Microsoft Edge or any other application that handles PDFs. Click on the app shown next to .pdf and a list of available PDF readers will appear. From this list, you will need to select Adobe Acrobat Reader. If Adobe Reader is not listed, make sure it is installed on your device as it's essential to see it as an option here. Selecting Adobe Reader will instruct Windows to use it as the default application for all your PDF files going forward. Finally, a confirmation prompt might appear, ensuring that you really intend to make this adjustment. This is just Windows double-checking with you. A quick yet necessary step. Confirm the change when asked, and this officially sets Adobe Acrobat Reader as the default PDF reader on your system. And there you have it. With Adobe set as your default PDF viewer, you can now enjoy better features and more comprehensive tools for viewing, editing, and managing your PDFs. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and happy PDF viewing.